What is the difference between temporary custody and concurrent custody? So this comes up within the 751, so Florida Statute 751 section of the statute. And this is an important differentiation, that there's temporary custody and then concurrent custody, and it is different. So the temporary custody, when you file a petition for temporary custody by extended family member, and we have other videos and other information on our website about that statute and the information about it, and the petition itself is on the Florida Family Law Court's website, and you can fill that out. And but if you need representation or you need more information, you want to have a consultation, you can give us a call, to get information about it. But for purposes of this video, quickly, for temporary custody, you have temporary custody of that child for a period in time, and then the parents or parent, depending on who's in the situation, can then come back and try to basically dissolve that order on temporary custody. Again, as I've said before in other videos, it's not permanent custody when we're talking about an extended family member, and we're talking about the statute 751. So we're not talking about dependency cases. We're not talking about anything else besides Chapter 751 cases where it is, filing a petition for temporary custody by an extended family member. So there's that option there of not only just the temporary custody, but there's also concurrent custody. And the difference, and the very important difference, is basically concurrent custody is it's not a watered down approach, but a little bit different, because also the parents and whoever is filing for it, all of them have concurrent custody. They have custody of the child or children at the same time. So sometimes that's good for situations where, let's say grandparents, if the grandparents and then the parents have it, so that way if they need to bring them to a doctor's appointment, they need to do different things, that they need a court order to be able to show, look, I have custody, whether it's, again, temporary custody or concurrent custody. Sometimes both of them can accomplish different objectives of what they're looking for, but during your consultation with whatever attorney that you speak with about, they'll be able to explain the differences between the two and what is better for your situation. But the Florida Statute 751 explains the process for it, of asking for it, and then for dissolving it. Because again, we like to be specific about this, and this is what I tell people. It's in the name and the title of the statute, temporary custody. So it's not meant to be a permanent solution, and there is looked to be something for the children or child to return back to the parents or parent, depending on the situation. But this is just a little bit of information about those two different forms, because sometimes people look at it and go, well, which one should I ask for? Should I ask for temporary custody, or should I ask for concurrent custody? And this is just a little bit of information about that. So hopefully it was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.